Good afternoon, I'm the Maine Digger, and I'm so excited. I got a new GoPro 8 for Christmas, and I get to fly some of my drones. It's my first time flying them for a while, since the ground's frozen. Digging is impossible, nearly impossible. I decided to fly the drones around a little bit. So first spot I went to was Fairfield, KBCC property, and I flew the Ishin 58. E58 around, and it was a real windy day, so it didn't really work out that well. Still had a lot of fun. Today I took the Phantom out, and it was amazing. It was a good time. I had a great time with the kids. It was at the North Street playground in Waterville. Mainly to get out. Just wanted to mention why this picture is cool. This picture is taken from the Ishin E58. It is obviously of my GoPro. It's obviously of my GoPro 8, which I just got, but it was also the first time I launched my pocket drone from my hand, which is cool. But it's just an awesome picture. So my drone has been flying. The Phantom 3 up, successful, no issues, good times. The last time I did it, it was not good. Lessons learned, bloody lessons learned, fingers hurt. Not so much this time. Learned a little bit more control, which was one of my goals, and it was awesome. Mainly dig out.